Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the JD Mexican channel. We're back finally with another video. I've been waiting on some things, so I haven't really been able to record. On the last video, we left off that I was going to drop these wheels off to get powder coated, and as you can see, I got them back. So I'm about to show you guys those real quick, as well as tons of new parts that we're going to be putting on the car, but we'll start off with the wheels. Alright, so here's the stock STI BBS wheels that we took to get powder coated. As you guys can see, they did a pretty sick job on them. They look like they're brand new. And I mean, they fixed all the curb rash. They fixed pretty much the whole wheel. It looks like it's brand new. So I'm already working on getting tires for these. As soon as I get the tires, we'll throw them onto the Forester. I should have them by the end of the week. So maybe they'll be in this video or maybe they'll be in the next one. But just wanted to show you guys the wheels. They all came out the same. So yeah, I'm super excited to throw these on. Something else that I purchased recently was this STI carpet here. As you guys can see, it's in pretty good condition. The guy that I bought it from, he had like a full STI interior. He didn't want to separate anything, so I had to buy the whole thing. I already sold the seats and the door cards and everything. I only kept this. But pretty much I got it for 200 bucks because I made all my money back selling the other stuff. And I mean, it's one of the cleanest carpets I've seen on the marketplace, because usually they're pretty dirty or they already have holes. This one is clean completely, so we're gonna be swapping this over into my car, so then it's got that full STI interior look. And yeah, so we'll be doing that here soon. For now, I'm just gonna have it tucked away here until I get around to it. Next on the list is I got some coilovers finally. So the Forester's gonna be getting a whole new suspension. I got some Fortunato 500s. I actually ordered them like 2.5 months ago, and they just got here this weekend. I mean, it said they were gonna take a couple weeks, so I wasn't like expecting to get them any sooner. But then they just kind of showed up on Sunday at my door, so I'm super excited to throw those onto the Forester. We got those right here. I haven't even opened the box yet, so we'll open that right now and make sure everything is good. And for the next part is actually the reason that I haven't been posting videos is because I haven't even had my car for the past maybe month and a half, because I was actually finally able to drop it off to get painted. So it was getting painted for, I mean, not painted, but it was getting like fixed for the past month and a half. I mean, they took all the dents off, they did all the body work and everything, and they painted it. It's a whole new color. It looks like a whole new car. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right now, because we no longer have a ugly Forester. Well guys, there it is. Forester is officially a different color. As you guys can see, looks like a whole new car. What do you guys think? I ended up going with pearl white. I figured it'd be a color that I wouldn't get tired of. Got the mirrors painted too. Got everything. Looks like a whole new car. And we also finally got the car registered. So we are no longer riding dirty, somewhat. But the whole car is repainted now. Doors inside and everything, as you guys can see here. We didn't just do the outside, got the inside painted too. But yeah, I just picked it up this weekend, and I was actually able to finally throw in my custom seats that I got done here. So it looks so much better. I'll show you guys through the back right now, but it looks sick now. It matches the fronts. Oh, can't really see, but it matches the fronts now. Got the blue in the back, and they fold forward because they are the stock Forester seats. They just put new suede on here, and that's how it came out. So it looks super sick. Anyways, now that you guys know that the car is repainted, we're gonna open up these coilovers and make sure everything is good, because I haven't even looked at them. So we're gonna tear this box open and make sure everything that we ordered is in here. Just inspect everything, you know. All right, so here we have the certificate of assembly. I mean, it just says who built them, what car they're for, the day they were built. So I mean, we're gonna keep this just for records. And I mean, it tells us spring rates, the ones that I chose. So we did, I think it was 8K in the front, 6K in the back, or something like that. Comes with some stickers and adjusting tools. So we're gonna be sure to keep this somewhere where we won't lose it. Here we have that first one. We also got the protector sleeves. You know, I mean, if we're spending this kind of money on something, I feel like we might as well keep it protected so it lasts us a long time. But anyways, here's that first one. So I'm just gonna open these up and make sure everything is good, and then I'll show you guys what we're gonna do after. I also forgot to mention that I upgraded to the Swift springs instead of just doing the normal ones, so that's another thing that I did on these ones. I'm sure you guys know I do a lot of this stuff only on my free time, and I got some time today, so I'm gonna jack the car up, I'm gonna put it on jack stands, and I'm gonna work on it when I have time throughout the week. Hopefully I get the coilovers done this week or this weekend, but today is Tuesday, so I mean, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna jack the car up, I mean, take the wheels off, start unbolting some stuff, and just get some progress going in. So now that I got the car on all 4 jack stands, we're gonna pull all the wheels off, and I'm actually gonna test fit one of the gold ones just to see how it looks. I got all 4 wheels taken out now. We're gonna test fit one of the gold ones just to see how it looks. There we have one wheel. I mean, obviously it doesn't look good right now, but once the tires are on and the car is lowered, I'm sure it's gonna look super cool. But anyways, it's just a little mock-up for now. I'm gonna take it off, and I guess I'll start working on the suspension. I got these 2 bolts loosened up. I took the nuts off. This tool here is a lifesaver. It just made everything come off super easy. We disconnected the brake line, so we're just setting that off here to the side. Make sure nothing touches that. So now we're just gonna get inside the car and take off the bolts that are holding up the struts here, and we're gonna drop this and we can put the new one on. All right, now here in the back, you're just gonna push this up here, and then that'll give us access to the nuts that are holding up here. So we'll tuck this away so it's out of the way. Now we could access these 3 nuts right here. We're going to use our little tool here, take them off real quick, and we'll go back to the bottom of the car and pull off that strut. Alright guys, so now that those are off, we're going to take off the bolts, and then we'll disconnect it from the hubs, and then we'll pull this down. So let's get into it. Got that first one out. Now we gotta go and do the other side. Now I'm just going to take off that pin that's holding the brake line here. We're going to take it off and we're going to pull the brake line to the side, and then we'll go on top of the car and do the same thing on this side. Alright, so I got that passenger one out now. That's sitting over here. I think I'm going to put the back ones in first, and then I'll start working on the front. So I'm going to start fitting it and see how it looks on here. And then I'll start bolting everything up, putting the nuts, and make sure everything gets tightened the way it should. So I'm gonna go grab that one. I got that first one in. I haven't torqued anything up yet. I thought it was better if I just wait till the end, just torque everything together. But there's the top. And I mean, I already test fitted one of the wheels. It already looks like it's gonna be super low. But I'm gonna do the other side now. Then I'll probably be done for the day. But I feel like I got some pretty good progress done today. Alright, so I got that driver's side in. We put the bolts back in here and the nuts. Like I said, I'll torque all of this all together. That way we don't forget anything. So I think I'm actually going to do this front one and see if I could finish this one right now. And depending on what time it is, I'll hit the one on the other side too. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here with this one. Finish it up real quick. Alright guys, so I was actually able to get that front driver and passenger one in before the day ended. I got everything tightened up. I'm gonna keep going at it tomorrow. Make sure that so I'm gonna go get the tires mounted on the new wheels, and then we'll make sure we'll check the height and everything. We'll make sure everything's good. We'll drop it, see how it looks, and then we'll start adjusting. So tomorrow will be getting the tires mounted and adjusting the suspension. It's the next day now. I got the coilovers all fixed up now. I got all the ride heights the way that I want it for now. We're gonna mess with that once I drop the car and see how it looks, and then let the suspension sit for a little bit, you know. And then we'll start messing with like whether I want to raise it or lower it more in the front or the back. But as of right now, everything should be pretty even. The preload is also good, and everything else should be measured exactly the same front and back. Also, I got my tires mounted on the wheels, so I just went and picked those up right now. So I'm going to show you guys how they look. They came out sick. So we're going to throw those on here, and we're going to take the car off the jack stands. All right, check out how clean these came out. Got them wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4s all season, you know, just in case. I don't plan on driving this in bad weather, but still Colorado, you know. Start raining or something, you don't want to be running on some tires that ain't gonna work good. But anyways, this is how they came out. What do you guys think? Looks super sick. So I'm gonna take off the wheels that we still have on here, just from like test fitting and stuff. We're gonna put the gold ones, and then I'm gonna take the car off the jack stand. So let's get into that. Got that first one on there. Looks amazing, guys. What do you guys think? Check it out. Sheesh. Alright, I'm gonna get the rest of them on and then we'll drop the car for real. And so I got all 4 wheels on now. You guys can see here. The front looks a little weird right now, but I'm sure once we do a little tweaking on there, it's gonna look sick. But I mean, there it is. They're finally on. So I'm gonna torque all the wheels, and then I'm just gonna torque suspension up here on all 4 because I haven't done that yet. And I'm gonna take it outside, see how it looks in the sun. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out here today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the transformation on the Forester. Looks so much better now. I don't know what's next, so we'll see what comes next. I guess I have the carpet that I need to install, and I got some tail lights that I got custom made. They're like somewhat mostly clear except for like this red part right here, but everything else is clear. I need to get those in too and see how it looks. Well, anyways, thanks for watching this video. We'll see what I come up with next.